Hey everybody, happy Thursday. I hope everybody is doing well. I am still having some issues with my computer program, but that's okay. I'm limping through, and most importantly, I am getting my trades done. Just a little late in getting my videos done. So anyway, it is Thursday, and unfortunately starting with the Aussie CAD. Bummer, I got stopped out. Look at this sucker, went way up, took out my stop loss, and then it ended up closing below the baseline. So that kind of stinks, but that's the way it goes. So what I'm doing with this one now is you notice that this ash is blue. If this ash turns around and starts to give me a red signal again, then that will be an indication of a continuation trade, as long as this sucker doesn't close above the baseline. So that's kind of a bummer, but that trade did end up closing on me. I have a couple of trades I am still in. Euro Aussie right here. Let's take a look at that. That one is actually not doing real well either. It really dipped down. And actually, if I look at this, look at that. That ended up closing because of that dot right there. Looks like it ended up closing a little bit beyond the baseline, which does indicate that I should be closing this trade. Oh my God, see, I just don't want to though, because it looks like it's going to go back up. We still have a green super trend. We still have our ash congruent. So, all right, I guess you guys can yell at me, but I think I'm going to leave this one for now, even though technically, look at that. It looks like it closed, wow, really, really close, like within a pip. So I'm going to leave this one for now. The other one that is still going is Kiwi Yen. Let me pull that up for you. Wait a minute. Is that what that is? Kiwi Yen. Okay, here we go. I'm stumbling over my words just a little bit because I'm still trying to get used to calling them by the proper names. So I stumble a little bit. This particular trade is still hanging in there, but it really hasn't done anything. Look at that. Boy, it's hardly moved since I took the trade. But if we look at all the indications, super trend is still down. It's still below the baseline. Ash is still down. And ironically, we've got a lot of volume behind it, even though it doesn't look like this is moving very much. But I'm leaving that. So it is a little bit later again this evening because of my technical difficulties, but I did take out 3 new trades tonight, and I will show you what those were. Just bear in mind I've already put them into play. The first one is the CAD Swissy. Let me pull that one over for you. All right. So this trade is a sell. Right here we're taking a sell. And as you can see, our super trend is down. Our price is below the baseline. And it looks like it is a bounce. And the reason I took this is because this one would have been the one to go into, but it was too far, if you notice these here. So this one came up a little bit. So I'm thinking that put me back within my baseline 1 ATR, but let's hope that sucker turns around again. Because now that I'm looking at it more closely, I really didn't have that ash turn blue and then turn red again. So that may not have been a real valid continuation. Just keeping me honest here. How about euro pound? Let's look at that one. That was another one that I did, and that was a sell as well. And here you can see our super trend just switched over, and our price here, actually I'm looking at it now. Look at this. I'm looking at it here, and I'm a bit far from that baseline, so I probably shouldn't have gone into that, but I did. But everything else is in alignment, and we have a lot of volume, so that's why I took that trade. And the final one is pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. This is funny. I think it's funny to say kiwi. I don't know why. Anyway, okay. So this one was a buy. So I had looked at buying here because that would have been the cross. However, if you notice, our distance was too far. So this one came back down. Everything is still in alignment, and we still had volume. So I took the buy there, hoping that I bought it at a discount, and it will now head back up again. So anyway, there are the trades for today. I may not be making a video tomorrow. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm having some surgery done in the morning, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to be up to it or not. But if I can, I will do that and include you. But if not, and I don't get a chance to say so, everybody have a nice weekend. Okay? You guys take care.